Is your Google TV lagging, apps freezing, or acting strange? This usually happens because temporary system glitches build up over time or apps consume too much memory. Rebooting your TV can fix these issues and improve performance. So here's how to do it. Method 1. Reboot via remote. Press and hold the power button on your Google TV remote for 5 to 10 seconds. Then let go of it. Now press the power button again to reboot your TV. Wait for the TV to turn off and back on. This clears temporary bugs and refreshes system memory. If you can't seem to reboot your TV with this, then try this second method. Method 2. Reboot via settings. First, from your Google TV home screen, navigate to the settings gear icon. Then scroll down and select Device Preferences. Now scroll down to the very bottom of this page. Select Restart and then confirm the restart. This method is useful if your remote isn't responding properly. And that's how you can safely reboot your Google TV. For best performance, reboot your Google TV once a week or after installing multiple apps or updates. This will keep your TV faster and smooth all the time. If this video helped you out, then hit that like button and subscribe for more Google TV maintenance and troubleshooting tips.